Hey YouTubers, today's problem is this Napa gold ball joint that I just can't get grease into. So I've tried various fittings. This is a mini grease gun from Harbor Freight. Check out that little tapered tip. So that's the tool that's supposed to go, it's supposed to get grease into there, but I just could not get grease in there. So I just drilled out the fitting. It's just a little brass fitting, and I just drilled it completely out, and this little rod fits in there perfectly now, almost. And I was able to put my jack right under here, a floor jack, and that was able to relieve pressure on the ball joint so that I could get grease in it finally, now that that ball is out of the way. There's a spring-loaded ball and the hole was just really small, so there you couldn't get a seal on it and you couldn't get any pressure on the grease into there. So I drilled it, and I didn't drill far enough because the ball was still in there, and I took a pick and a hammer and I was trying to kind of pry it out and pull that ball out, and the bad news is the ball is now in the ball joint, so we'll see what that does. But I was able to get some grease in there, which is a first with these ball joints. They have a lifetime warranty, but it's a pain replacing them. So, you know, if you don't grease them, once they start creaking, they'll go bad pretty soon, like a month of driving or less. So I got grease in it, and what was different, when I lowered it down off the jack, it didn't creak like it did when it went up. So no creaking so far. We'll see if this fixed it, and I'll get some more grease and try to shove it in there. So there's my little Napa gold control arm and ball joint modification. A better fix for this is to find a grease fitting that fits into that hole and just screws right in, and then you could, like a proper grease fitting that'll actually clip on there and provide you pressure. So maybe that will be a part 2 someday.